No, gotta feed the body that works the money. You get what I'm saying? Good morning. It's Monday. It's like 5:35 a.m. I got my Oxy Shred, the passion fruit flavor. Let's go to the gym. It's like the time we need to be consistent. Been really busy lately, so I feel like I haven't been as consistent, but I'm really gonna get it together. So it's my go-to hairstyle. You already know, flip over wig. So let's go. What I genuinely enjoy about going to the gym in the morning is because no matter what you're about to do after this, whether it's work, school, go back to bed, whatever it is, you showed up for you and you got something done for you, because ain't nothing more important that you about to do after this but you. I mean, unless you got kids, but still, you showed up for you, because even if you're taking care of somebody, you can't take care of nobody until you take care of yourself. So period. I love rice with flavor, and this is definitely it. It sets it all. Update of the week. It's Thursday. I'm so glad it's Thursday. I cannot wait for the weekend. I just want to sleep, relax. I just want to be to myself and just mind my business and focus on my life. Like, focus on not my life, but my well-being. Like, I'm telling you, the weekends are for resting. Like, wash your hands when you get in the house because outside is dirty. Cooking some palm butter. You know I'm an East African girl, but you know I gotta make things for my man. You know, gotta feed the body that works the money. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I just made my green seasoning, but it has pepper and all that inside, so it's not as green as I want it to be. But I use this to cook like throughout the week. I will put it in like a plastic jar and you keep it in a cold freezer or fridge, whatever you prefer, and it stays fresh. It's so good and it adds so much flavor to your food. It's like cilantro, garlic, green onion, parsley, what else did I put in here? Bell pepper, habanero pepper, a little bit of tomato, and red onion. It's Friday. It's nothing like being by yourself, spending time with yourself, showing love to yourself, and just chilling, bro. It's literally Friday. I took a nap. Now I'm at the pool, just having me some champagne and relaxing, listening to some music. So yeah, this is what I can live. This is what I enjoy. grip socks, so we will slip on the equipment. And then I'm gonna eat some pineapples, take my vitamins, take my Oxy Shred, and get out of here. Vitamins, the ride is on the way. And I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, I just dropped one. Got my Oxy Shred, y'all. If you guys are gonna start taking Oxy Shred, passion fruit is literally the best one. Like, it is so good. I love it. From Pilates, it was great, a different experience. It was challenging, but yeah, I went to the post office, got a box. We're gonna ship my man some food. It's like a little care package. I have a little love note card. I have some plantain chips, a Butterfinger. Those are like his favorite snacks. I don't want him to have too much sweets. I got him some basmati rice because I don't know. I've never seen a West African not like hard-boiled, but get what you want. Green seasoning so he can make his food whenever he's not available to cook. Some chicken soup, and then some palm butter that we made. It's been freezing for like a day and a half now. I'm gonna tape it with like some alien tape so that it's stuck. So when the box shakes, it's gonna stay together and then you can just cut it off. So put that together. Head to the post office, you know, using my business to ship this, so you know it's gonna be, you know. I just made some lunch, some shrimp, some baked fries, onions, and some spicy mayo, really healthy, light cheese, and this is really healthy. Some shrimp, all under 500 calories. Okay, y'all, so after going to the gym this morning, I got ready for church for Easter Sunday, but I was late, so I wasn't able to record my content. But I just wanted to show y'all the outfit because, baby, like I said, gold on dark skin, always, it will never ever miss. Do you see it? The headpiece, I'll put all the information down below. Look at this. Happy Easter, guys. I hope you guys had an amazing Easter, and this is coming to the end of the vlog, of the weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you guys want more of these, because I feel like I'm in a journey where I'm living a more subtle, calm life, but I also like to have fun and take care of myself, because if I don't take care of myself, who's gonna take care of me, you know? So, you know, a little homebody, little outside girl, you know. But bye, Barbies. Happy Easter.